Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Florenda Romero, 40 years old from Philippines, and I am excited to have the opportunity to apply for the position of full-time nanny for your family. I have worked as a helping hand for our busy parents and their children for over 4 years, and my experience in childcare and household management has directly improved the day-to-day life of the families I have worked for. I'm confident that I would make a positive impact as part of your household as well. As a full time nanny, I have encountered a variety of children and family situations which have shaped me into a flexible and quick thinking worker. Beyond basic childcare, I uphold high standards of academic and healthy living for the families I work for. I established a daily reading for the children, which contributed to a 45% increase in the reading score at school. When cooking duties are asked of me, I always aim to high balanced meal for the family. In addition, I sit down with the parents weekly to discuss their children's growth, possible issues, and general expectations. My experience and personal skills make me a reliable candidate who will effectively help run your household. If you would like to discuss the potential for a partnership together, feel free to contact me. And lastly, to my employer, sir, ma'am, if I get hired, I promise to fulfill my duties and responsibilities. I am hardworking person and willing to learn about the new tasks assigned to me. Thank you for your consideration and I hope to meet you soon.